Hey guys, today we're diving into the double uni knot. It's one of the simplest connections out there, basically just tying the same knot twice. Whether you're using braid, mono, or fluoro, this knot gets the job done. But heads up, there is one situation where you should never use it. Stick around until the end so you don't lose that trophy fish. First, cross your two lines and give yourself about 6 inches of overlap. Pinch him right in the middle. Take one end, loop it back over both lines to form that shape of a number 6. Now, tuck the tag in through that loop 4 times. That's all you need. Alright, give it a pull. No need to crank it down yet. Just keep those wraps nice and orderly. Now, flip it over and repeat the process on the other side. Make another 6, and this time, go through the loop 5 times. Make sure your wraps don't overlap each other, then snug it up. To keep things smooth, I like to slide both knots together first. Here is the most important part. Grab both main lines and pull firm. At the same time, make sure you hold on to that mono leader to prevent it from curling back. There it is. Watch those two knots kiss and lock tight. Finally, snip off those tag ends. And boom, a perfect double uni knot. Quick word of advice. Don't use this knot with ultra-heavy lines. First, thick line is hard to cinch down, and your braid might just slip right through. Second, the knot gets way too bulky. It'll bang your guides, and could even mess up your reel. If this was helpful, hit that subscribe button. Good luck out there, and tight lines.